Let's just also switch tracks now, and this is in regard to the upcoming elections in Haryana. And just ahead of those elections that are coming up, it is Rahul Gandhi, the member of opposition, who has met with Vinesh Phogat as well as Bajrang Punia before heading to Kashmir this morning, fueling speculation about the possible entry of the two wrestlers into the fold of the Congress. The meeting comes as the Congress's Central Election Committee convened a meeting to finalize its list of candidates, and that meeting that took place on Monday. Now, do remember that, it was, the elections in Haryana that are scheduled to take place in a single phase on the 5th of October, and the counting of the votes is set for the 8th. But it was the All India Congress Committee in charge of Haryana who on Tuesday had gone on to talk about, there were speculations that are rife that Vinesh Phogat could be, in fact, making it to that list of the Congress party. And that is when he reacted by saying that Vinesh Phogat or Bajrang Punia's names have not cropped up yet, and that there will be more clarity in, say, a day or two. So we have Gurpreet joining us. Gurpreet, so of course this is fueling those rumours that have been doing the rounds when it comes to Vinesh Phogat and Bajrang Punia joining the Congress party.
Well, this is not the first time such a rumor in the public domain. We have seen when she was spotted with some of the state leadership here in Haryana. At that time, they were also expecting that they can join the party, Congress party, anytime. But what we have learned, we have talked to the former Chief Minister of Haryana, Bhupinder Singh Hooda, multiple times, and every time he has given us same set of answers, saying it's their will whether they want to join the party, they are going to take an active part or not. We cannot force anyone. But somewhere down the lane, it seems that political calculations are being made by the Congress, and we have seen not only the Congress, the BJP, INLD, JJP, and all the other parties, they are also trying to make a political equation. Now, this picture which has been spotted, it gives a lot of messages. Now, it is yet to be seen whether these people are going to be part of active politics or not, whether they are going to be getting the seats as a candidate from the Congress party or not. That is yet to be seen. But yes, of course, a lot of speculation are already in public domain for these people. They are going to become the part of Congress party. So even the Congress leader, they did not deny any time, but they are giving the same set of answer by saying it's their wish, it's their will, whether they want to become a part of a party, ruling party. And so many times they are saying the sports person are for the country, not for a specific party. So let's see, because earlier we have seen even the Rajya Sabha issue was raised by the former Chief Minister of Haryana, Bhupinder Singh Hooda, saying the sports person should be recognized in the upper house of this parliament. So let's see that what will be the calculation and how they are going to come, and whether they are going to become active participants in this Haryana polls or not. That is yet to be seen. Back to studio.
Right. Thank you so much, Gurpreet. Just stay with us for our next story as well. And